The above 4 items are all best-selling connector products. Connector for wire-to-strip connect. Low-voltage power supply. Strip-to-strip connector with wire. Connector for strip-to-strip. L-shaped connector without dark area. Install the tutorial. Insert the light strip and press the button. The positive of the red strip light is the connection red wire, and the negative red and black wire connect low voltage power supply. Tap the required length at the welding spot. Positive and negative must be matched correctly. Insert the light strip and press the button. Insert the add strips to bottom of the connector. Pay attention to the corner positive too. The positive of red, warm white of yellow, cold white of white, and to negative. Okay, you're done. Is it very easy, right? You must have learned it. Just try.